In this video, we are going to see about chameleons of Cromland problem using pure function. We know in pure function, the behavior of the function variable will not be affected by any other variable. Why it is called it as chameleons Cromland problem? Cromland means able to change their skin colors. Here chameleons are able to change their skin colors. Here we have three different types of chameleons. By changing their skin color, how we can convert all the chameleons into same color, which is also called it as monochromatic problem. First, let's see the problem statement. In this problem, we have three different types of chameleons. They are A, B and C. These three are three different types of chameleons. Here, yellow chameleons consider as A type, green chameleons consider as B type of chameleons, and red chameleons consider as C type of chameleons. Here our condition is two types of chameleons must be equal number of chameleons. So here I have taken A and B both in same number of chameleons. So here we have 4 yellow chameleons, 4 green chameleons and 6 red chameleons. Here a condition is when two chameleons meet from two different colors, they can change these colors into third type of chameleons, which is called it as monochromatized problem. Monochromatized means making all the colors into same colors of chameleons. Let's see an Cromland problem. In this problem, we have three types of chameleons. Two types of chameleons are equal in number. Here we have to construct an algorithm that arranges meetings between these two types of chameleons. They can change their color into third type of chameleons. Finally, all the chameleons should be in same color, which is called monochromatic problem. Here we have considered A, B and C. These three are three different types of chameleons, which is called it as variables. Here caps A, B and C considers values of three variables. Here the values of A and B must be same. Here we can see input and output values. In input, here A and B must be same number of chameleons. So here we have taken A and B is equal to 4. C is equal to 6. In output, all the chameleons converted into same colors of chameleons, which is in the C's color. So finally A and B will become into 0 and C will become into 14. Which is A plus B plus C colors, which is called it as monochromatized problem. Monochromatized means making all the colors into same colors. Here how we can convert into same colors? When two chameleons of different colors meet, they both change their color into the third one. We can see how to convert all the types of chameleons into same type of chameleons. In initial stage, we have 4 yellow chameleons, 4 green chameleons and 6 red chameleons. So in each iteration, two chameleons of two different types meet and change their colors into third one. So in the first iteration, one chameleon from yellow and a chameleon from green meet and change their colors into C's type of chameleons. So in the first iteration, one chameleon will reduce from A type and another one chameleon also will reduce from B type, and two chameleons will be incremented in C type of chameleons. In the first iteration, you can see 3 chameleons in yellow type, 3 chameleons in green type and 8 chameleons in red type of chameleons. So here given this iteration number, like this in the second iteration also, one chameleon from yellow and a chameleon from green meet and change their colors into red type of chameleons. So in the second iteration, finally we have 2 A type of chameleons, 2 B type of chameleons and 10 C type of chameleons. This process will be repeated until all the chameleons will become into same type of chameleons. So in the finally we have all the chameleons become into same red type of chameleons. Finally we have 0 numbers in A type of chameleons, 0 numbers in B type of chameleons. All the 14 chameleons become into C type of chameleons. So we have 14 C type of chameleons. Now we can see flowchart for chameleons Cromland problem. In this problem, we have three different types of variables. which are three different types of chameleons. Here our condition is A is equal to B, which means A and B must have same number of chameleons. So finally all the chameleons must become into same type of chameleons. So in each meeting A and B each decreases by 1 and C increases by 2. Finally all the chameleons will become into same type of chameleons. So here caps A, B and C, these three are three different number of chameleons for the variables A, B and C. Here our condition A greater than 0. The condition is true, one chameleon will reduce from A type and another one chameleon will reduce from B type. At the same time, two chameleons will be increased in C type of chameleons. When the condition becomes false, A and B will become into 0 and C will become into A plus B plus C. So all the chameleons will become into same color of chameleons, which is the solution. Next we can see algorithm for monochromatized problem. Here let is our keyword to define the function. Rec is keyword to define recursive function. Here monochromatize is the function name A, B, C, which are three variables, which are three different colors of chameleons. Here if A greater than 0, if the condition is true, here one chameleon will reduce from A and another one chameleon will reduce from B. At the same time, two chameleons will increase in C type of chameleons. When the conditions becomes false, else all the A and B will become into 0 and C will become into all the same color of chameleons. So which is total number of A plus B plus C. All the chameleons will become into same type of chameleons. In this video, we have seen chameleon's chromolan problem, which is example for pure function. Here always it will return same solutions only, which is same color of chameleons. So it is also called it as monochromatized problem. Thank you for watching.